Hello, my friend. Do you faint so much that people think you are faking? Is it triggered after seeing things like blood? Those are the symptoms of vasovagal syncope. Don't worry. Tumbleweed has asked for a natural method for this. Imagine how much stronger you will feel not to be triggered again. Let's get started. If you feel like fainting, whatever you do, stop. Sit down, place both palms on your head, and close your eyes and breathe into your nose and breathe out your nose. 1. Breathe in, breathe out 2, breathe in, breathe out 3, breathe in, breathe out 4. Breathe in through your nose. Your chest will expand if you are doing it properly. Breathe in, breathe out 1, breathe in, breathe out 2, breathe in, breathe out 3, breathe in, breathe out 4, breathe in, breathe out 5. Hold it for 5 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently open your eyes and drop your hands down. Now place your palm on your eyes and hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Place your palm firmly against your eye. You will feel the jelly texture of your eye. And drop your hands down. With both palms, massage the side of your head up and down. 1, gently. 2, 3, 4. For the best result, massage with a strong pressure. 4, 5. On your forehead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now at the back of your head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Massage as strong as you can. Don't worry. 3, 4, 5. Stop. Close your eyes and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And gently open your eyes and relax. Now place your right palm on your heart, left palm on top of your head, and close your eyes and breathe into your nose and breathe out your nose. 1. Breathe in, breathe out 2, breathe in, breathe out 3, breathe in, breathe out 4. Keep your hand firmly placed on your chest. Breathe out 5. Breathe in. Breathe out 1. Breathe in. Breathe out 2. Breathe in. Breathe out 3. Breathe in. Breathe out 4. Breathe in. Breathe out 5. Hold it for 5 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently open your eyes and drop your hands down. I have now a cold wet towel which I'm going to place on top of my head for 10 minutes.